Hey everybody, this video is going to be a little different from my usual videos. This video is going to be about Beauty and the Beast, as you can tell. In front of me here we have this modest collection, my girlfriend's collection, mostly purchased by me for her. There's quite a few items here, including a large dollhouse off to the side. But if you look down here, we have Cogsworth, we have a Lumiere, we even have a chip, and out in the other room we have Mrs. Potts and a few other items. But what we don't have here is a feather duster or plumette to go with Lumiere. And so what I did is, there's lots of model files online of a lot of these figures that you can download and print. However, for feather duster, what is online is, well, shit. And some of them are just overpriced, the model sets. So I just went ahead and I designed my own and printed it, and that's what this video is going to be about, is feather duster, plumette, 3D model, assembly, overview, and where she can be downloaded. So here we have my K2 Plus and freshly printed set of parts for a feather duster of my own design. Now let me get this off the bed, clean off the supports, and we'll get into it. Okay, so here we have our components for feather duster all printed out, and I'll go over each component individually. So we have our head sculpt here. And we've got our ball socket on the base. We have the upper body, or the handle, and this ball peg screws into the base with a 4-40 screw or an M3 screw. About a ½ inch in length should do. And once you have this assembled, you have a ball socket here on the base of the feather duster that will slot into. And you have her tassel here, and there's these two slots in the head that these will glue into. And with the model set will come this base right here, which will just get that fine. It'll plug into right there. This is the front. I will have on Thingiverse, free to download, this alternate base right here. Okay, so let's get into the assembly of this. Put that up. Through there. Line that up with the hole. Screw that into place nice and tight. Okay, now that's nice and tight on there. Also, this upper socket, this is a very tight fit, and there's a chance that you could break the stem here. I suggest a heat gun or something, heating this up a little bit, and then forcing or inserting the ball. So I'm going to apply some heat here. And that's all I needed, was just a little bit of heat, and just let that cool, and then that's in there. And then you've got their head that can rotate and tilt all around, just like that. Now we can take the base, and this should snap into place. just like that. We're getting fairly big here. So now you've got your base that can rotate. So she is articulate, and you've got your head that can rotate. You can have very lively poses. And now we're going to install our tassels, and we'll apply a little bit of glue to both of these slots. And we'll insert her tassel, and she's done. That one. And that one. And that's that. That is Plumette feather duster from Beauty and the Beast. Again, you know, you can have all kinds of expressions, or sorry, expressful poses. And you just, she sits on there just like that. You don't need the base either. She'll stand up on her own like that. No matter how you pose the top, it won't fall over. But if you want that added touch, and again, the plain vase is available with the model set. This base is available on Thingiverse for free, and there will be a link in the description to both. And you can put her on there and have something like that. And here's how two of them look with Lumiere. Lumiere in all his glory with his tongue hanging out. He's got a chick on each arm. He's living his best days. Anyways, thanks for watching.